Hi everyone, my name is Breno and I'm the CEO and founder of Boto.io. And today I would like to talk about our latest features. We just launched Smart Actions, which is our smart contract that allows you to use Boto and all the features we have to trigger on-chain transactions. So for the first time, you can use a no-code tool to build any logic to transact on-chain. We are starting with ERC-20 transfers. We're going to bring token swap next, but we're going to keep bringing new features every week. So please stay tuned. And today I'm going to deep dive a little bit on the ERC-20 transfers. So this is a very simple idea. You can transfer ERC-20 tokens automatically, but it's not so easy to do anywhere else other than in Boto. So just to mention a few use cases, you can do scheduled transfers to transfer money every week or every month to pay someone. You can do treasury management by moving money from one wallet to another to make sure there's not too much exposure in a certain wallet, in a hot wallet, for example, in your company, or make sure that a smart contract is always topped up so there's the balance doesn't get below a certain amount. Or again, if there's too much balance in that smart contract, you want to make sure you move out to not expose too much the tokens there. You can do that automatically with Boto. You can also, while doing all that, check for gas fees to make sure you take advantage of low fees before you do the transfer, which for now you don't have to worry about because we're sponsoring gas fees 100% for a limited period of time. So let's deep dive in how to use this block and how you can take advantage of this limited promotion we are doing where we are paying the gas fees for you. So let me walk you through a few use cases. Here, in this link that I'm going to share below in the description, you're going to see just a few recipes that we created for you. But I'm going to go into the canvas and just show how the block works, which is very straightforward. You just need to bring the block transfer token ERC-20 to the canvas. And this is all you need to do an ERC-20 transfer. In order to connect your wallet, you need to go through the authorization page, which you would authorize Boto to move ERC-20 tokens for a specific token for that wallet. You can revoke that authorization anytime through our UI or directly with the ERC-20 contract. So we don't need private keys. We don't move money from your wallet to our wallet. You don't need a new wallet, nothing like that. So this is one of the biggest things about our contract. And for a limited period of time, we are sponsoring gas fees, 100%. So imagine you want to transfer Matic to another wallet, and let's say I'm going to transfer 10 of them. This is all literally you need to do if you want to transfer that, let's say, every 7 days. This is all you would need to do to transfer a certain amount. But this is, of course, a very simplistic use case where, let's say, you're moving from one wallet to another or paying someone every week. But you can create way more things with Boto. So let's say you want to make sure that your smart contract from a treasury perspective never runs out of balance. That's another way of managing it. Let's say you have a hot wallet and you don't want that hot wallet to accumulate too much money. Or again, you have a smart contract like ours and you don't want to let it accumulate too many tokens in it. So you can combine the block with another block, for example, token balance, and say, hey, if the balance on this specific wallet is too low, make a transfer. Okay, so this is all you would need in order to do that. So if the balance is below, I don't know, 5, transfer something. And of course, these numbers can be calculated. They don't need to be the way they are right now here. You can use the calculator block. You can also add gas calculator and say, let me check if the gas fees are below or above a certain amount. Only do this if the gas is below a certain amount. So again, you have all the power of the Boto bots to put your logic to make this transfer. And of course, we have a few recipes ready-made for you. So transfer when gas is low, or reduce a hot wallet exposure, or smart contract exposure. So you can benefit from a few use cases here. So just to show you guys how this block works, I'm gonna set up here to send 10 Matic from one wallet to another. And please remember, right now we're sponsoring all the gas fees for those transactions. So when I save this bot and turn it on, it's gonna immediately make the transfer. Don't forget that if you don't set any logic, any rules here, if you turn it on, it's gonna make the transfer immediately, and every 10 minutes in this case would make it again. So you could say every 10 days, for example. So whatever frequency that is. So let's see if this can work. And soon we should see a new smart action transaction here, and voila, it's showing here. The transaction hash is going to come in a minute, and here it is. And as you can see, so now we are waiting for the transaction to go through. It just did, and it's awesome. We transferred 10 Matic to another wallet, and we paid 0 gas fees. So all the gas fees here from the smart contract were sponsored by Boto. This is a limited period that we are doing this, so please take advantage and use as much as you want right now until we run out of our allocated money for this sponsorship. So please take advantage, use it, and let us know how it goes for you, if you enjoy the new block or not and the new functionality. I can't wait to see what you guys create with it. Thank you.